స్వామి వివేకానంద హై స్కూల్ శ్రీహరిపురంలో స్వామి వివేకానంద జయంతి వేడుకలు మరియు సంక్రాంతి సంబరాలు ఘనంగా జరిగాయి. స్కూల్ కరెస్పాండెంట్ దాసరి మురళీకృష్ణ మరియు దాసరి వేణు ఈ కార్యక్రమంలోని పాల్గొని విద్యార్థి దశలో మంచి క్రమశిక్షణతో ప్రతి విద్యార్థి వివేకానంద అడుగుజాడల్లో నడవాలని వారు కోరారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా స్కూల్లో ఏర్పాటు చేసిన సంక్రాంతి సంబరాల్లో విద్యార్థులు పాల్గొని సంబరాలు జరుపుకున్నారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా విద్యార్థులు చేసిన నృత్యాలు, ఆటపాటలు పలువురిని ఆకట్టుకున్నాయి.
If he was 1863, now how old he must be? Max sir. How old? 1863. Now how many years he must be? 165 years. See, 165 years old man. Day we are celebrating. Please listen children. 165 old man day we are celebrating. Simply we don't celebrate somebody's birthday, right? Do we celebrate our birthday in this way? Do we dance? Do somebody dance for our birthdays? No. But we dance or we celebrate for certain people. Why? Why? They have put a mark of them. He did not live for long years. He must have lived only for 30 or 40 decades. But he made a very good impression to the country and we are celebrating it. It is considered as a youth day. Who's called youth? Who's called youth? Yeah, you people are going to be called youth. Right? So what all you have to follow? Discipline, dedication, listening to somebody, everything, thirst for knowledge. When some teacher will tell a plus b whole square is if whatever it is, then you should ask why it should be so, why it can't be other way. It should be always a quest for knowledge. When you go on asking why it happened, what and all, then you will become somebody great. And you also, your birthdays also may be celebrated. Who knows? There will be one Vivekananda, there will be one Nehru, or there will be one Gandhiji, all coming out from you, right? So whatever it is, when somebody is speaking, I know it, you all must be hungry, I know, we'll have laddus also, we'll give you laddus, don't worry. Yeah, you'll all enjoy. So but still, on behalf of you, since I have to thank everyone, so thanking all, then 8th Akshita Sai, really mesmerizing, spellbound. I don't know really, how can they perform? Such beautifully she has performed everything. Dancing to the fast beat or something is different. But a classical song to dance with that beautiful mudras and all. She's a very quiet girl in the class. But when she comes to the stage, she rocks the stage. The wonderful performance, Akshita. And all... Yeah, again my tiny tots of LKG and UKG, how beautifully they have shown the 4 festival, 4-day festival, right? What are they? Bogi? Mukkanu, somebody was saying in the
తెలిసి మీరే నాకు అమ్మ, మీరే నాకు నాన్న, మీరే నాకు అన్ని.
Attention please. This song dedicated to all frustrated
Mas Maharaj.
Gango,